Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's KooGus back at it again. This time we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing an unboxing video for a pair of sneakers I just got. A little bit of info about it. This is my first pair of sneakers I have ever actually successfully purchased on the SNKRS app. So I got to screen cap that got 'em little thing and share that, and that was quite a good experience. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun unboxing these guys and showing them to you. They are the Jordan 5 Stealth 2.0s that just got released. I'm really excited to show you guys how they look, give you my opinion, and let you know what I think. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, so we're gonna get into this. You can see Nike is giving us some words of encouragement. They're saying just do it, so let's open this bad boy up. All right, brand new box, look at that. Let's take a look. What do y'all think of that? Love that. I have mostly Jordan 1s in my collection, so it's nice to see a different box right here. All right, and then let's see what they look like on the inside. Love that paper. Almost like a paint splatter effect. And now we're going to the shoe. You guys ready? And look at those. The Stealth 2.0s. You know what I've been hearing about these sneakers is how good quality the leather is. You can see that all here in the toe box. You can see that all alongside, tumble leather everywhere. And I gotta tell you, man, this is some of the best feeling leather I've ever had. I've ever felt on a sneaker for sure. I mean, it feels great, it looks great. This is a very clean colorway. So I really, man, you know, I'm struggling with whether I throw these on my feet. I try to resell them, but I'm probably gonna keep these forever. These are just dope, right? You can see here, in addition to the leather, we got the clear little net right here. We have the gray sole out here. We got the shark fin right here. It's black with blue paint speckles. We got the white is the main color pretty much everywhere. Got the Jumpman on the back in black, chilling right there. We also got a Jumpman down here. I gotta say, I love these translucent soles here. The issue with these, I've heard, is that they yellow pretty fast, so that concerns me a little bit. I might need to be careful, but they just look so dope with the blue Jumpman underneath, the blue tip right here, and the black Jordan right here. It's fantastic. I know a lot of people were complaining that it didn't say Nike Air back here, but I actually prefer the Jumpman personally. I think that's an unpopular opinion. You can see as we go around, here on the inside, we got that blue right there. I think it's stealth blue, as well as a black tongue as well on the inside. Then here you can see we have the blue Jumpman, the silver tongue. We got the blue and clear lace lock right here, and the white laces. All in all, this sneaker feels really great. Honestly, just touching it in my hand makes me want to keep it. So, you know, I might not be able to get this on that secondhand market. We'll see. But yeah. Honestly, this is a great looking shoe, really clean colorway. I love how simple it is. You know, clean colorways like this are great for the summertime. You know, you're wearing something simple, you're not wearing a lot of clothing, so you're looking for something more simple, less flashy, and this really goes well with a lot of summertime outfits. And yeah, man, overall, I gotta say, the shoe's feeling really, really good. I guess that's why they tell you not to order shoes in your own size, right? Because then you just end up putting them on your feet. So overall, I gotta say, I'm really happy I caught this sneaker. It feels really high quality, looks great, and I am excited to see where I go with it. Overall, guys, I gotta say, I'm really impressed with the shoe. I didn't expect to like it as much as I did. Just the high quality of the leather here, the simple yet, you know, popping colors with the translucent here, the blue Jumpman, the inside right here where you see it's blue again, just really is speaking to me right now. You know, I wasn't feeling the paint splatter shark fin very much to start, but holding in your hand is a whole other story. So I'd say before you guys judge these, cop a pair or find someone that has a pair, feel the leather, look at it in your hand, and you'll probably want to get a pair for yourself. So if you guys like what you saw today, feel free to leave a like, comment, or subscribe, just so that I know that this is content that you guys want to watch, so that I'm encouraged to keep making it. So if you guys liked it, let me know. Thanks again. KooGus out.